A Ronawk X-Block was seeded with primary porcine cells. Cells in bioblocks will form complex structures that mimic tissue. These images were taken on Echo's Revolver microscope with a scale bar of 500 microns. To retrieve these structures, Ronack's X-Tract was added. X-Tract breaks the bonds of the bioblocks, but does not break the cell-to-cell bonds. In this example, the X-Tract was used for 2 hours. Time will vary depending on how much extracellular matrix was created by the cells. Also, the use of agitation can speed up the process. A remnant of the X-Block is denoted with a red star. Cells were stained with Hoechst. The tissue mimetic structures are circled in blue. Note this large structure is approximately 3 millimeters in length with multiple arms of 500 microns to over 1 millimeter. Keep in mind that this bioblock was a 1 centimeter cube. Finally, colonies that still reside in the X-block are denoted with blue arrows. As of the fall of 2023, tissue mimetic structures have been grown from approximately 50 different cell lines for a wide range of usages. What could you do with your research if you could bypass 2D, spheroids, organoids, and work directly with tissue mimetic structures? Contact us today to start working with Ronack's bioblocks.